Hello class, Mr. Stone here. The lesson I found online today, it's adding integers. It's right here. Okay? So let's try working on that, okay? They gave you a little rule here. To add positive integers, move to the right. To add negative integers, move to the left. So they gave you a number line. So you start on number line. Let's do the first one. Okay? So the first one, we start with -4. Now it says add positive, you move to the right. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 1. That's all there was to it, okay? Now, let's go to the next one. Now, the next one's a little different. See how we have 3 plus, bracket, -7, and end of bracket? Okay, so this is a little different. Here's how we got to rewrite this. You ready? It's 3 plus the -7 and the brackets. That equals, okay? This is really a multiplication. 2 is involved in this. So it's a little 1 outside here, okay? See the 1? It's going to be a 1 right there. So it's going to be 3. Now, a positive times a negative. Look above, okay? Right up here. I put the multiplication signs. I don't know if you have that all down real good, okay? If you do, you're golden, okay? But the way it works is same signs, answer is positive. Different signs, answer is negative. So these are different signs, so it's a negative. So it's a -7. And that equals, so let's put it on the +3. Now we're going negative. Right up here it says to add negative integers, move to the left. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's a -4 is the answer. -4, and that's the answer. Now the next one, it's the same thing. Okay, so we got a -2 plus, and now there's a little 1 outside this bracket. Okay, 1, -4. And the brackets, that equals, okay, just like they say above. If it's different signs, it's going to be a negative. So it's a -2 minus 4 equals. So we started with -2 right here. Now we're going to negative. Okay, it says add negative integers, move to the left. So we're going to go 4 to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer is -6. -6. And that's the answer. Let's do the next one, okay? So we start with 3 plus, now it's a little 1 out there, remember? Outside that bracket's a 1. -5 equals. So this is going to be a 3. Now, same thing. Up the top, different signs. It's going to be negative. So it's a -5. Equals. So we start with the 3 right over here. 3. Now it says to add negative integers, move to the left. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is -2. -2. Let's move up. And so that was all there was to this, okay? Now, I'm going to show you a different way to do this, okay? I'm going to show you a little different way, okay? Let's move this over here, okay? This is what I call T-box, okay? I kind of like it, okay? So let's do a T-box on the first one. What we have on the T-box is we have 2 teams, a negative team and a positive team, okay? So what do we got here? We got a -4, okay? We got a 4 on the negative. The negative team got a 4, okay? Now, on the 5, that's a positive, okay? So we put a 5 on the positive. The difference between the two, what team won? The positive team won. So we put positive down first, okay? And how many did they win by? They won by 1. So that's the answer. So that's how that T-box works. Let's do the next one with the T-box, okay? So we put a T-box, okay? Now what do we got? We got a negative team and a positive team, okay? On the first one, it's positive, so it's a 3. The next one's a -7. So what team won? The negative team. And how many did they win by? They won by 4. So that's the answer there, -4. Let's move this over so you can see that it was. Yep, -4 it was. Okay, so hey, let's go to the next one. Okay, we got another T box. Negative and a positive. First one's a 2. Next one's a 4. What team won? The negative team. And how many did they win by? They won by 6. And that's the answer for that one. That's all there was to it. See, this is a little faster, this T box. Don't you think so? Okay, let's do the next one. So we got a T box. A negative team and a positive team. What do we got? We got a 3 on the positive team. What do we got on the next one? It's a -5, so a 5 on this. What team won? The negative team. And how many did they win by? They won by 2. And that's it. Okay? I myself think learning how to do this T box. I have another video that's on my site and it explains how to do T boxes. I did a whole bunch of them. So you can try that and you can say, hey, this works out pretty good. Okay? If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. It'll help my YouTube ratings and more kids can see this and maybe they'll get something out of this and they'll do better at school. And that's the primary reason I do these, is so kids can do better at school. Okay? Thank you very much. Have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.